Okay, so this is a related topic for chapter 1.8 and 1.9. 1.9 is basically story problems, but it uses the concept from chapter 1.8, and I needed to make sure I showed you a little bit about this. This is using the distributive property for division. Okay, so we kind of go backwards, but we're still dividing. So say I have something like 84 divided by 6. Okay, we're going to just spread that out. We're going to change 84 into something that works better with 6. So it's still divided by 6, but we're going to change it into 60 plus 24. Now I just chose 60 because 60 divided by 10, oh, not 10, 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. Okay, so that's a really simple one. And we choose a 10, we choose 60 just because it works with our divisor, 6. Okay, once I get that figured out, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply, using the distributive property, the division to both of the things inside the parentheses. So it becomes 60 divided by 6, okay, and 624 divided by 6. Okay, so it was 6 into 60 and 6 into 24. These added together are 84. So if we find the answer to 60 divided by 6 and the answer to 24 divided by 6, we'll get the combined answer for what 84 divided by 6 is. So this changes it to two things that we can do in our head, or easily show on paper. Okay, which is what I want you to do. You need to show your steps. This is what we start with. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 is basically our answer. And each one of these things is equal to the thing before it. Okay, so 84 divided by 6 is equal to 60 plus 24 altogether divided by 6. And this is equal to 60 divided by 6 plus 24 divided by 6 using the distributive property of multiplication, but we're using it in reverse. Okay, so 60 divided by 6 is 10, 24 divided by 6 is 4, and 10 plus 4 is 14. And if we were to do long division just to check, 6 goes into 84 times 84, 6 goes into 8 once, with a remainder of 2, bring down our 4. 6 goes into 24, 4 times. We can see that 6 goes into 84 14 times. This is our answer. This is our answer. They both work. This one is more of a mental math way to do it. This obviously takes up more paper. It's a different way to look at it. But it is a pretty neat way to break apart the division. And so we're going to do just a few of these examples, and then you're going to do them in your assignment for assignment 1.8 and 1.9. So for instance, 210, not 20, 210 divided by 5. Okay, that's the first step. The second step is to break it apart. We could go 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 10 divided by 5. Now this is kind of the long way. 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 10 is 210. If we knew that 100 divided by 5 was equal to 20, we could we could kind of combine those. Either way, it still works. So this is 50 divided by 5. And we do that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We do that 4 times. And then we add to it the 10 divided by 5. Okay? And step 4, now notice I just multiplied this times 4 because we get this. This is done 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay? Let's change that color. 50 divided by 5 is 10. And that's times 4, which is 40, plus 10 divided by 5, which is 2. Alright, so then our final step here, 10 times 4 is 40, plus 2 equals 42. It's just a different way to divide. We could do long division. It would come out the same, with the same answer. But we're working on using our distributive property in relating multiplication to division. They are backwards and forwards operations with one another. 104 divided by 4. Okay, we might say that that's 40 plus 40, which is 80, plus 24. That adds up to 104 divided by 4. Okay, and then we might switch back and go 40 divided by 4 plus 40 divided by 4, or just multiply it times 2 because you're doing the same thing twice, plus 24 divided by 4, and that is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 6, okay, because 40 divided by 4 is 10. This kind of goes down here, this goes to here, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. And you add them all up, and you get 10, 26. 26 is your answer. It's 104 divided by 4 equals 26. Okay? You can just do that over and over again. This will do everything on your assignment. Have fun with it.